Hello and welcome to Carrier Tech Tips. As part of our continued commitment to quality and your satisfaction, I will be showing you some of the important electronic components and basic troubleshooting procedures of the Infinity 18 and 19 VS unit. The information in this video should help save time on your next service call. First, let's take a look at some of the key components of these units. This is the inverter, which coordinates operation of the variable speed compressor and fan motor. The inverter drives much of the high efficiency performance and comfort achieved by these units. There are multiple circuit boards in the inverter tray. The motor operation control, otherwise known as the MOC, and the application operation control, known as the AOC, are the two primary boards identified. The AOC is a field replaceable board mounted on the inverter tray. This is where the system status LEDs are located for troubleshooting. Now let's walk you through some troubleshooting. When you arrive for a service call, do not power off the system. This will ensure you see the active system status code. Look at the LEDs. The green LED shows the system communication signal. The amber LED will show either the operation mode or the fault code system status. Only one fault code will be displayed on the AOC board, the most recent code with the highest priority. If a fault code is active, the amber LED will show a rapid flashing sequence followed by a slower flashing sequence, indicating a 2-digit code. For example, this LED flashes rapidly 5 times, followed by 3 slower flashes. This indicates a fault code 53. You can look up the code in any of 3 locations: the backside of the service panel, the installation instructions, or the service manual. Now let's talk about when to use a multimeter. There is no reason to use a multimeter to check inverter output to the compressor or fan motor. That's because there are no published values of these voltages versus the compressor or fan motor RPM. If the compressor and fan motor will not operate, use the fault codes to diagnose the possible reason. If the compressor and fan motor will operate, the inverter output is good. A multimeter should be used to check the winding resistances in ohms between the phases or ground of the compressor and fan motor, if they are suspected of being defective. The service manual has the appropriate resistance values. Following these simple best practices will help you quickly and efficiently begin the troubleshooting process, potentially reduce your time on the service call, and get the product serviced correctly the first time. Thank you for watching Carrier Tech Tips.